I've been using the Hillsound Armadillo LT Gaiters for 5 years now, and they keep my feet untouched from the elements from outside of the boot, no matter the depth. And today I'll be letting you guys know everything you need to know, as well as testing it in all conditions. If you're anything like me, you like to wear shorter boots for better mobility and to cut weight, but a big issue with this style of boot is that you always have sand, mud, or snow creeping in on the insides of your boots. First off, let's get into the features of this product. Waterproofing of these is 20,000 millimeters with the DWR finish that gives the fabric a water and stain resistant finish. This material used is a triple layered ripstop fabric that is highly breathable. The upper section of these gaiters is a stretchy, form-fitting synthetic material, which makes it relatively quiet and great for those who have bigger or smaller calves. The lower section of these have an added durability to withstand from constant friction from the brush at the feet. It also features webbed and side squeeze buckles to make sure that your gaiters stay in place when you're on the move. It also has an instep strap that is extremely durable and has a TPU coated nylon strap that is replaceable, and I wish I knew about that 2 years ago, but I'll tell you more on that later. Additionally, there is upward facing secure hooks for added coverage on your footwear and to prevent any possible way of them sliding up your leg. Once you've properly secured the gaiters to your boot, there is a Velcro strap to tuck the zipper away so then it does not become unzipped when you're on the move. And finally, something that you don't see very often, but it is nice to have, is top-down zippers. With all that being said, let's take a look into the specs. The upper section of the gaiters is made out of Flexa 3.0, which is a contour fitting, lightweight, waterproof, and breathable fabric. Not only that, but it also has a C6 DWR finish. It's also durable up to 50 washes, and once you notice the waterproofing start to dissipate, just reapply. It's durable for up to 50 washes. Didn't notice the DWR, just reapply it and you'll be good until it starts to fade once again. For washing this product, you can use the Nick Wax Tech Wash or the TX Direct In Wash. The lower section of these gaiters is made of 1000D nylon. For the zipper, Hillsound's used the top-notch YKK Aqua Guard repellent zippers, are the best of its kind in terms of durability and blocking debris and moisture out. The total weight of these varies. I'll have different weights on the screen, but my size is a medium, so they weigh 300 grams or 10.58 ounces. Same thing goes for the sizing. Mine are 40.75 centimeters or 15.5 inches, which is size medium. Now, definitely two things that are awesome about this is one, they are actually quite compact. Fold them up nicely. This is just one, but it wouldn't change the size of it. And you guys can see I don't got very big hands. I got small hands, and this can compact down very small, fit inside my bag easily. And another thing is that they are super easy and simple to put on. All you guys got to do, just take it, put it behind your leg, step down, use the zipper, clip the buckle at the top, and add the hook on your existing boot hook or lace. And there you have it. Hillsounds are on my leg. Now, I am wearing the Hillsound Gaiters. I've been out here for probably about 2 hours. I don't feel anything in my boots. Snow would definitely be getting in, and it has not. I've taken these in literal waist deep snow, just wearing my joggers, and you guys could see in almost every single one, I'm pretty sure in every single winter hiking video that doesn't have a clear path, I am always wearing the Hillsound Gaiters. I really have been wearing these for 3 or 4 years now. So ever since I have been making videos, you guys could look at my very first video. I was even talking about them in my exact first video. I definitely recommend these. These have not failed me in any sort of weather. Sure, when I was in waist deep snow in joggers, yes, the tops of my pants were completely soaked, but below, as soon as I take the Hillsound Gaiters off, you guys can see that the boots dry, my socks are dry other than from my sweat, and then also pants as well. They were completely dry. You know, trying to get sand
on the inside, and if I have any, I will let you guys know. Same thing right here. I don't even got any. I don't got any sand in there. So this would definitely be pretty good in sandy locations. Say if you got low top boots, you guys want to be walking around in sand without getting sand inside of your boots. Now I'm gonna do the same test with mud. Oh, this is not, I could just hear the gas leaking out of wherever I stepped. Gases and fumes of poo, man. Oh, but I'm doing this only for you guys, just so you guys get the test that you've been looking for. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, this is disgusting. So the only reason why I'm dusting, I'm just using a stick to get this off, and I gotta go home and wash these, wash my boots. Oh.
So now that we have covered everything else but the cons, let's take a look into the cons of this product. The very first issue that has occurred, and this has happened on both sets that I've owned, and that is the upward facing hooks bending or even snapping. I don't know if it's due to the loops on my boot just being too small, or if this is something that has occurred just over time of being used. But it has happened on both of the pairs that I've owned. Not too big of a deal, but it is definitely something to keep into consideration. With my previous pair, not with this pair, but is the instep strap breaking on me. This was due to my own fault, and I did that by kicking my car's traction pads underneath the wheels, and after doing this quite often, the buckle had broke. So due to that lesson being learned, don't kick things while these things are equipped to your feet. And if it does fit underneath your boot, do keep in mind that it is a coated nylon strap on the bottom of your foot, which will reduce the grip of your boot in particular situations. So that brings us to the question, who would I recommend this product for? I personally would recommend this product to anyone who is looking to protect both the insides and outsides of your footwear or pants from snow, mud, or even sand.
Now you guys know that you guys can walk in sand, dirt, mud, poo, and anything without getting your pants completely destroyed. It'll save your boots or shoes a little bit, just the tops of them, because of course they are still exposed. But hopefully you guys took something from this video, and I'm gonna go and wash up my boots.
Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll have a whole playlist of videos just like this one on the screen right there, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video.